We're leaving Iquitos off to Cusco. There's no direct flights to Cusco from Iquitos, so we're actually going to backtrack to Lima and connect to Lima, continue on to Cusco. We got some fun food adventures lined up, so stay tuned. Hello everybody, we are here for our first time in beautiful Cusco, Peru. And we're actually in the hotel, the JW Marriott. We're in the lobby restaurant and I'm ordering my first alpaca. Not an alpaca burger, it's a fillet of alpaca, if you will, with mashed potatoes. So we're waiting for that to come, enjoying some pineapple juice in the meantime, freshly squeezed. So we're starting the journey in Cusco. We're starting with some alpaca. About 10,500 feet. A little up between 10 and 11,000 feet in altitude here. So it's like Colorado Springs. So we're getting a little used to the altitude as well. The air's a little thinner here. If you're not used to running around in lower oxygen, it takes a little getting used to, especially for us chubbier people. Look at that, how fast. Some alpaca with mashed potato. It looks like green beans. A delicious brown sauce, which is very thick, actually. I've got to taste that first. Let's see what that's about. It's like if you make a pot roast, except sweeter. We'll see what the alpaca tastes like. But first, I'm going to be a wimp and try some of the mashed potato with some of that gravy on there. Wow, I've never seen mashed potato like that. Very thick mashed potatoes. Here it goes. Dip it in some of the sauce. Here's the first, alpaca time. It's I wouldn't say tough, thick, still kind of tender the way they cooked it. It's almost like eating a very thick pork chop, but not exactly like pork. A type of flavor to the meat, not gamey, a flavor I can't really compare to anything else. But if I had to compare it to something, it's closest to pork, like pork tenderloin. It's extremely lean. Give me more mash. Yeah, that's a weird mashed potato texture, but it just tastes like plain old mashed potatoes. I'm not sure I know what that is either. It's like a fruit of some kind. The texture and the sweetness. I'll ask her when she comes back. But alpaca and mash, perfect combo. We were just discussing amongst ourselves how to describe the alpaca better for you guys. And I still say texture and flavor, I'd compare it closest to a pork tenderloin. But there is a hint of something else in the texture and a little bit of a tang in the flavor. And Juliet, our local producer, nailed it.
Nailed it?
She nailed it on the head. She freaking nailed it. She goes, liver. I wouldn't say there's a strong liver flavor at all, but the texture and also that little bit, there's a little bit of a liver tang flavor to it. So if you combine pork tenderloin with a hint of liver on a nice, thick, very lean meat, that is alpaca. And I can't describe it any better than that. That really says it all. So we came up with it as a team effort to describe alpaca for you. What? That's all I got to say, man. Here we are at a restaurant in Cusco called La Chomba, and they specialize strictly in cuy. Cuy is deep fried guinea pig, pure and simple. So it'll be a first for all of us. Let's see what it's all about. Come on, let's do it. Where do you like Emily? Where does Emily go? We lost Emily. I don't have eyes. Yeah, let's decide for her. We were going to ask you which table's better, but we already decided. Let me find the baño. That's all we need, guinea pig and something to drink. Let me read your big ass beer here, Em. Cusqueña, genuine beer from Cusco, Peru.
Of course.
This is the real thing. This is Emily, so I'm not going to chug it. She might get angry.
Chug it. Oh my god. Come in. Oh! Nice.
Anything else I could do tonight?
Cortesia.
Ah.
Cortesia.
Cortesia. What's that?
It's cortesia. It's rice soup. I've had this before, I think. Well, let me try it.
That sounds simple, but...
Oh, yeah, it's a salt. It's very mild, very, very mild. It's like a rice soup, rice broth.
Yeah. For a warm body?
It warms you up inside. ¿Quieres sopita?
No.
¿Quieres sopita?
No.
Get some roll. Let's keep this professional, please.
Why?
Because we're professionals.
We're not.
This cheese. Yeah, cheese.
We'll need a knife so we can cut the cheese.
Oh my god.
Fresh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, flip them over.
They cut the guinea pig in half. Literally.
Wow.
Anatomy.
That is really sad and also disgusting.
Look at his little tootsies, his little feet.
Little feet.
Coochie, coochie, coochie. Can I start eating, please?
Yes. I don't know if I want to eat that.
All right, let me see how I'm going to do this. This is new for me, folks. Can I eat the skin too?
The skin?
El pie.
Piel.
Yeah.
Piel.
Puedo comer?
Yeah. Oh, exactly.
Well, I don't know what else to do, so I'll hold him by his nose and by his tuchus.
By his tuchus? Oh.
Oh, there's the nice meat. Okay, maybe I won't eat that. I'll just... There's so much fat on this guy. I'm trying to avoid all the unfriendly stuff. Okay.
Chomp.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, it doesn't taste like chicken.
What does it taste like?
Like nothing I've ever had before.
This is different. No.
It is different. Want to try?
No. Maybe.
It's not very lean. He's a fatty little creature. Here I am munching on a guinea pig. Not a lot of meat on him, actually. No, I mean no mucho carne.
Ah, yeah.
And puerquito.
Show the camera the meat.
What's left of it? I already ate half of it. Oops.
Many people say this meat is very healthy because only eat plants.
He's a vegetarian. Aren't cows vegetarian soup?
Yeah, he's vegetarian.
Oops.
Yeah, eat his ass.
His ass is on the table. Well, there's not much meat left. There's very little.
Yeah.
Is that meat?
That is
Is that meat?
Here's some more meat. I already ate most of them already. I need like 4 guinea pigs.
Wow.
Oh my god. Why are you being so funny right now? Why is this so hilarious?
You started laughing as soon as you saw it on the plate. Thank God they seasoned it. That's all I'm gonna say.
Wine and guinea pig.
Salt and pepper, simple, but it needs seasoning.
Is it flavorless without it?
It has a flavor, not strong flavor. But it has slight flavor, but not like any other meat you could compare to. I've had snake, which is closer to chicken than this is. Alligator is alligator. That reminds me of kind of like catfish in a way. I can't compare them to anything.
It's a unique flavor, maybe.
Maybe if you had eaten a rat before, you could compare him to that.
Possibly, because they're all rodents, right?
The family.
Come on, Jules, have some.
Have some.
Have some.
Have some.
Actually, there's not much meat left. I ate most of it. Well, this is meat. So this is your only chance. Going, gone. And half the animal barely has any quality meat on them. But I did it.
Now eat your corn.
Hominy, where I get grits from.
Homina.
Is this cheese? Very mild cheese. Salty. And there you have it. Let's go grab a burger. I thought there'd be more meat on them.
He died for a good cause.
Well, we did it. Today we had alpaca and we had a guinea pig. Well, half a guinea pig. I think if it was the whole guinea pig, it would be less skittish for me. Because you're eating him and then you see his innards and stuff while you're eating him. But I mean, it wasn't bad. You know, there's nothing bad about it once you get past that you're eating a fried guinea pig, basically. I can't compare the meat to any other flavor. It was seasoned just simply with salt and pepper, nothing fancy, nothing magical. And you know, we did it. So if you come to Cusco, Peru, it's kind of obligatory. You gotta have some cuy. Cuy is what they call guinea pig. And we did it. So if you like what you saw, if you have comments, please like, subscribe if you like what you see, comment. I love to hear from you guys. Hit the notification bell so that when we upload new sessions, new videos I should say, you'll get an email notification. So having said that, we have still more left in our Peru series. It's coming to an end very rapidly, but we have some more left. So until tomorrow, hasta lasagna.